maybe I should just go get some fast food, or maybe I should just order a pizza, or maybe I should do this or that. That got you in the situation that you're in right now. Keep these options at home, try them out. Okay, let me paint a picture for you. You've had a long day at work. You don't know what you're gonna have for dinner because you weren't prepared. So you got two choices to make. You're probably gonna make the wrong decision. You're probably gonna stop by somewhere, pick up some fast food on the way home, and eat some type of fast food because you ain't ready. Let me show you how to stay ready. Let me show you what to put in your fridge, in your freezer, so that when you come up on these issues, you'll be ready, all right? Now let me show you some meals that I recommend you get. Keep them in your freezer in these situations. That long day, you don't feel like cooking. But the other option is, let me stop and get something that I shouldn't be getting. So check out some of these options. Let me know if you've tried some of these. And all you need on most of these is just a microwave. So if you got a microwave at home, you're good to go. So check out these options. All right, first up, I'm always talking about getting protein. Focus on getting your protein first. I like to try to get at least 30 grams of protein in each meal, okay? So one thing that I found, this company, Real Good, makes these meals that you can put in the microwave. This one right here, this chicken burrito bowl, 33 grams of protein right here, all right? 33 grams of protein, you cannot beat that. You stick it in the microwave, side it with whatever you want to. I highly recommend you side it with some type of veggie. Keep some veggies in your freezer as well. I like to get like these right here, these steamers, you just stick them in the microwave as well. So once this is done right here, cooling down, put you some veggies in the microwave, season them up. I like to put a little Tony Sashers on there. You can just use salt and pepper. I also been using this a lot, broccoli and cauliflower. It's just so good, all right? Plus you're getting your vitamins, you're getting some fiber, and you're eating your veggies, right? Mom said veggies are good for you, so you gotta eat your veggies, okay? So go to the frozen food section, get you some type of veggie that you like, season it up. Don't put a bunch of junk on there because that's gonna mess up the macros, but get you some veggies, mix it with something like this. Let me show you some other options from Real Good. Real Good also has these cheese enchiladas. Man, look at that, 36 grams of protein in the microwave, all right? So what we're doing is we're comparing this, something that you can have at home, compared to if you swung by Mickey D's or you swung by Jack in the Box or Burger King or something like that, okay? So that's what I'm talking about here. Yes, I highly recommend you go with just straight, chicken breast and veggies and chicken thighs and make it at home if you have time. Man, you're tired. You're just getting off work. You've had a long day. You don't feel like cooking. All right, that's what this is for, okay? So this is for people who just need something quick, don't want to throw their diet off too much, okay? That's what this video is for. So check out Real Good, has some great options. Chicken enchilada, man, come on now. They have so many options, no matter what you want to get. These are great, 31 grams of protein. Now this right here, I made something like this at home on another video, so go check that video out. But if you don't have time to make that, man, 28 grams of protein, Real Good, just coming in with it for you, okay? So make sure you choose these options. Make sure you add a veggie to it. I'm gonna show you another one from Real Good that they make. This is a great one also, buffalo style chicken. Come on now, buffalo style chicken, you know that's good. Yes, you can make it at home if you have all the ingredients. I highly recommend you do that. However, if you don't have the ingredients, or if you're in a hurry, you don't feel like fooling with it, 46 grams of protein in this container right here, all right? It's got some broccoli in there. It's got what you need, okay? Go get these instead of stopping by your favorite fast food restaurant on the way home. This will keep you in track. Plus, you can track it, okay? You can track it, and it really helps you out on reaching your goals, on staying with your goals, because once you fall off, then you're gonna feel bad. If you stop by a fast food place on the way home, you're gonna eat it, then you're gonna feel like crap, and then you're gonna feel bad about yourself because you fell off, all right? You're already tired, upset because you don't have anything at home, and then you eat the fast food, and then you wasted money, and then just all kinds of things fall out of place for you, okay? So this is just to help keep you on track, all right? So check these out. This one as well, Korean style barbecue. I mean, whatever your jam is, they have something for you, okay? Now, also, whenever you're looking for these, you go in the frozen food section. If you don't see them in the frozen food section that has like the single meals, you might have to go to the healthy location, all right? There's like usually in each store, they have like a healthy living location that's totally opposite from where the standard single meals are, okay? So what I mean by standard single meals is these like healthy choice power bowls, something like this, all right? The only problem with these that I have found is that they just don't have enough protein for me. If I get something like this, now this is a low carb option because it has rice cauliflower, okay? Now, the only problem with these, they're great too, they taste great. Problem is, for me, I'm still gonna be hungry, all right? Because they don't have enough protein in them. This one right here only has 14 grams of protein. So if you can only find something like this at your store, this is a better option than a number one with a Coke, okay? So go get you one of these and just side it with a side of yogurt or a side of cottage cheese. Whatever you can get your protein, add some extra protein, have a protein shake with it, all right? So you can at least hit your protein goal, try to get around 25 to 30 grams of protein, all right? So if you do, make sure you look at these. Like I said, these single meals, usually you don't find these next to these, all right? These are a little bit different. These are higher protein in one box, but if you can't find Real Good, most stores have Real Good. I've noticed, I've seen them at Walmart. I'm at Kroger right now. HEB has them. I think Costco even carries like the big ones. I'll double check that next time I'm there. But if you don't have these for some reason in your store, just go look for the healthiest. Make sure you look at the label. Check that label, okay? And fit this label into your macros, whatever it is. Whatever this is probably gonna be better for you than what you bought at the, got your number one on the way home, all right? Take these, if you need some more protein, add those little tips. You need more more protein ideas, check my other videos, check my shorts, check all those, because I put all the ways I get protein fast in those videos, okay, just to help you out. So check those out. So usually you go get a number one with the drink. Well, the drink's important too. If you just, if you're gonna just drink water, that's good. Water's good for you. Hopefully by dinner time you're drinking enough water. But if you're not, you definitely drink your water. But if you need to, go ahead and side it with the soda, man. I'm telling you, because it'll help fill you up as well. Now, one that I have tried lately is this one right here. This Coke Zero Sugar Orange Cream. My gosh, this thing is good. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried it, go try it out. If you can find it, go get it, okay? Try it out. But my favorite, I've said this before, if you know, you know, A&W Zero Sugar Root Beer. A&W Zero Sugar Root Beer, all right? These go great with any meal, any time of the day. Sometimes in the middle of the day, I'm kind of hungry. I'm like, you know what? I don't want to eat. I just need something to like fill my stomach up, right? You get you one of these jokers and that'll take care of it real quick. Also, pro tip, you got some healthy ice cream at home. I've said this before in my other videos. Use these to mix it with like a Halo Top ice cream. Make sure you measure it out. Mix it with a Halo Top ice cream. You got your root beer float right there, all right? And you don't have to feel bad about it because you earned it, okay? So definitely go with some type of soda because it will help fill you up, or get you like a carbonated water, add a little flavoring to it, whatever you want to do, but get your carbonated water. That will help fill you up as well. And then you will be good to go for dinner time, all right? So these are options that I use. Look for these meals, but if you can, of course, make it at home. Make it with the actual chicken, make it with actual rice or whatever fits into your macros. Yes, these meals are processed meals. They are frozen meals. These are only options. These are options to keep at home so that when you're thinking, man, I don't have anything to make at home, maybe I should just go get some fast food, or maybe I should just order a pizza, or maybe I should do this or that. That got you in the situation that you're in right now. Keep these options at home. Try them out. Let me know what you think. Some of the other options that you use, let me know what you think. I'll definitely go check those out as well. Remember, look at protein first, try to get your protein goals, and then fill in the rest after that. If you have to use some type of carbonated water, some type of soda to help fill you up, do that as well. And just make the best decision possible. We're all trying to get better. We're all trying to be healthy as possible. And these are just some of the tips that I had for you today. So let me know how you like this. Like, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll keep cranking this out for you because I'm just here to help, all right? Y'all have a great day. Talk to you later.